Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Yurko here. We're going to take a look at February 17 to 25 lesson, Brainstorming, Revolutionize Your Idea Generation. So in this activity, we are practicing and working through our brainstorming abilities and developing new abilities for helping us generate ideas and problem solving. In this activity, in this lesson, you're going to produce a public service announcement, a commercial for your ideas. So we are addressing the problem in step 4 here of the recent power failures and tragedies associated with the weather events in Texas. There are articles to read and discussion board posts for you to contribute to here. Let me get back to the main assignment page, back to the main lesson page, and scroll us down to step 5. You're going to create your presentation and poster. For this activity, what we're looking at is producing something along the lines of a public service announcement. Public service announcement. So think public service announcement or commercial. Think that you and your team have identified a problem, a very specific problem, not generic problem like, oh, there was a power outage. Well, power outage is a big deal, but we need to, or weather, we can't fix the weather. We can address power outages on a small scale, but we need to identify things individually. So what we'd like you to do is, again, focus on a specific thing. A household without water, a household without electricity, a town without water, a town without electricity. One of those specific problems created by the weather. You could look at it from the perspective of a citizen. You could look at it from the perspective of leadership. It's totally up to you. You want to look at it from the perspective of a power grid operator, the operator at a specific power plant. All of these things are viable perspectives, but you need to specify one. Once you have identified your specific perspective and the problem you're going to solve, for example, we're going to prepare one household for a week's loss of availability of fresh water out of the taps because of contamination. Then with that point, with that example, the water loss example, you will be able to produce a list of brainstorm solutions for that specific problem. Once you have those solutions, you're going to pick one and you're going to produce a poster and a commercial or a announcement of some form to convince others that the idea that you have come up with is the best idea possible. This project is broken into 3 components. You're working in groups of 3. So you're producing the graphics or poster, the sales pitch, which can be, the commercial can be live or recorded video. So you can do this live to the whole class, or you can provide a recorded video and submit that. And also, of course, you'll need the written documentation, the subscription. You can think of this, you can think of this as the script for the commercial. Each individual member of the team is responsible for their own component. Submitting that, your partners will not submit on your behalf. If you do not submit something, you will not get credit for it. If you're in a group of 4, you may duplicate one of the activities. So you may have 2 scripts, or not 2 identical scripts, 2 alternate scripts, or 2 alternate posters, or 2 alternate sales pitches. Again, each member of the team is responsible for producing their own unique work that is in collaboration with the team. So all of it should work together, but you are, of course, all individual responsible for your own components. You will turn your assignment in to this page right here where the submission button appears. So hope that helps, and Good luck. Go be awesome.